Welcome to the video presentation of Automatic Fastener Thread Assessment and Sorting Mission. We express our gratitude to National Instruments for giving us the wonderful opportunity to present our views in NI Yantra. The project team belongs to Anand Institute of Higher Technology. The fastener in common term basically refers to nuts and bolts without which the world cannot hope to run. Currently, in fastener industries, the nuts and bolts are an assessment process are done manually, which is time consuming and have a high error probability. To remove these grave disadvantages, an automatic method have been designed by the project team using LabVIEW software. Now, let's analyze the nut section of the automatic fastener hardware setup. Normally, a camera cannot inspect inside a nut, so an innovative way have been employed to solve this problem. The project uses the fish eye lens or ultra-wide angle lens. The lens helps to improve the camera resolution and helps us in imaging the inside of the nuts. From the image taken, we can find the number of threadings used using NI Vision Development Module Toolkit of LabVIEW software. The hardware setup for analysis of the nut section consists of a wooden setup with a conveyor belt run by a DC motor and a camera which inspects the internal thread of the nuts. It also consists of a segregator system which segregates the good nuts from the defective nuts. The segregator system is completely automatic which receives signal or command from LabVIEW software. The interfacing hardware is NI Elvis and Serio. According to the information received by the motor in the segregation system, it moves in respective sides which defines the fasteners as pass or fail sections. Now let's see the running video of the nut hardware setup. The nuts are placed in the running conveyor belt. Totally, 3 fasteners are placed. As soon as the nut crosses the IR sensor which is attached to the camera starts taking images of the nuts. The images are processed using NI Vision Development Module and the commands are sent to the segregator system using an interfacing hardware. The first nut passes the test and falls into the pass section. The second nut have failed the test, so it is removed from the further automation by the segregator and falls into fail section. The third nut passes the test. The output process is shown here using LabVIEW software. This VA analyzes each picture taken by the camera, sends the full picture of the nut for the edge detection for finding the number of threading in the nuts and then gives the segregator motor the signal as pass or fail. Here first we get the nut 1 picture and get an output as pass. Secondly, we get nut 2 picture and get an output result as fail since it is a defective nut. This is why the segregator motor separates the second nut from the other nuts as seen before in the runtime program. Now, this VA shows the edge detection program that we use in the main system. Now, let's analyze the bolt section of the automatic fastener hardware setup. It consists of a wooden setup with 2 steel scale-like rails on which the bolt is placed. The bolt is passed to the other side by a thin conveyor belt run by a DC motor. The camera is placed as a nut section and the image is taken and processed by the NI Vision Development Module Toolkit. The interfacing hardware used here is NI Elvis. The processed image is analyzed and it is segregated by the segregator system run by a DC motor. The number of threadings are found using NI Vision Development Module. The threading number and defects are assessed and the segregation process is further proceeded by the signals received by the segregator as done previously in nut section. The whole process can be made as a single autonomous system using Serio. The futuristic application of automatic fastener thread assessment and sorting mission is that they offer automatic process for small scale industries where the necessity is more but the financial support is low. Since it is an indigenous process from India, the need for import of costly systems are reduced and helps in improving industrial capacity of our nation. We kindly thank you for watching the video patiently.